Butters, guess what? You got mail. You got mail. Yeah, you got mail. You got a sponsor. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We got a sponsor from Pawbo. So thank you, Pawbo, for sending me over the products to review. They recently paired up with Acer, and they're coming out with a bunch of new stuff. And they reached out to me about working with them, and I said, yes, please. And I recently bought an Acer laptop, and my other laptop crapped out, and it has been doing amazing. You ready? Got the Spring Smart Water Fountain. Like this, you can hook it up to your phone. They got an app, and you can see how much water your cat is drinking, cat or dog is drinking. Looks like it comes with that PawboBBS, which is a little attachment that clicks onto their collar that will activate the camera, the built-in camera, so you can watch them drink. Obviously it has filters. You can hold up to a gallon of water, and it'll let you know whenever your water supply gets low. Because kitties like spring water, huh? They like it to flow. Okay, just open the water filter fountain up, and this is what I see. And it comes with a little PawboBBS that you connect to your pet's collar. What I might do is just put this on with its bow ties so we can see how it works with the camera. Now we can get this out, get it cleaned, and we'll put it to use. Okay, we got this assembled. All I need to do is plug it in. There we go. There's a little button in the back you gotta push. What's it doing? Go check it out. Go check it out. What is it doing? Fresh water, baby. He's like, I don't know. He'll eventually get okay with it. Got the Pawbo camera. Of course, this is something you can watch your little cat, dog, and see what they are doing while you are not home. It comes, you download an app which you can watch. You can speak to them through this camera, and it even comes with a laser pointer, so you can play with them. And it comes with a treat dispenser, so you can throw treats at them. Again, we'll get this set up, and you'll probably be seeing some footage taken from this hidden camera of our dear wee Butterbean. Success! I'm getting updates for the app. This thing lets you name it. I called it Butters, because that's who it's going to be watching. Hey look, it's me on the couch. And Butters is right here. Hit record. And is this gonna... Butters. He looked up at me. You hear me? Butters. Butters. Woo. Woo. Oh no, that's the laser pointer. What is it being? Oh, that was news. This is actually how you put the treats in. You open up the little doohickey. You put them in. You can't eat it right now. You have to wait for it to be tossed. Full size portions. It's a good way to keep track of how many treats they are getting so they don't get too much. You bite my finger? Are you serious? Oh, it came out. Go get it. Butters! Come on, it's okay. It's like a spaceship. You can go to space. You okay now? You got scared by the big box. I had to take it out to the dumpster. Cause you were scared. Now look at this thing. It really does look like a little spaceship. If we can get him in it and liking it, this could be good for future videos. Little beanie to space. But yeah, you got the little thing where you can keep them in there. In that case, I'll probably just leave it open. Since I'm not gonna give him a bath, but he might like it for the heat. Because kitties like the warmth. Why don't you check it out? Why don't you get in there? Why don't you get in there, buddy? Okay, so I plugged it in. Start off with this display. It has light in here too. I recruited help. I didn't know what I was doing, and it is working now. It does have a smell. I don't know if it's new or what, but if anything, it's a little spaceship. It's warm in there. He's gonna go to space. This is an automatic feeder that you can set up with the app to schedule your pet's food, feeding schedule, and you can feed them straight from your phone. And they can hold up to 25 cups of dry food, which is quite a lot. Okay, so here's what it looks like out of the box. And that's a pretty cool way to have a cord right there. It's like a rope. And I guess the food goes in here. Okay, I gotta get everything washed up, and we'll give this thing a spin. Okay, I got everything clean. It is plugged in. So let's get. Well, that came on very easy. What is it, Butters? It's gonna have some num-nums coming out of there for you, baby. This is what the app on the inside looks like. It is attached to Butters. I have it plugged in. I don't have any batteries in it, but it does have battery backup. You can decide if you want a manual dispense or auto dispense. Right now we're on manual. Butters, food! Here he goes. Yay, Butters! You can find Pawbo on Amazon and Chewy, or go to Pawbo.com. Thank you, Pawbo, for sponsoring this video and sending Butters all the goodies. I think he loves this feeder because it means food time. I really love the camera because I can always look in on him whenever I'm not home. And I'm gonna take your spaceship to space and you get some fresh waters. His food is yummy. And the links for everything for Pawbo is down in the description below. And we'll see you next time. Bye! Yummy, yummy in the tummies.